If you want to learn all about if-then statements, be sure to watch till the end of the video. Alright, before we get started with this video, our words of encouragement for today are, "Don't forget to take breaks" by JKL. Thanks a ton for that. So, in order for me to teach you guys about if-then statements, we're going to go ahead and insert a script. So, what are if-then statements? If-then statements are basically a condition if something is true or false. So, basically, let me give you an example. If apples equals 10, then do this function. Or if it's raining, then do this. So an example of this that you use in your daily life is basically, if it's raining, bring an umbrella. Otherwise, if it's snowing, then bring a hat. Otherwise, if none of those work, then the weather's undetermined. So how would we write this out in code? So first, we're going to need our value. So it could be like apples equals 10, or it could be raining equals true, or it could be like getting the text from something or the name from something. Anything like this works. But for this, we're just going to use raining equals true, just to follow the example I showed you guys. So we're going to go ahead and write, if raining equals true, then we need to put two equal signs, because if you remember from my last video about click detectors, 1 equals changing the value to that, 2 equals comparing it. Then we can go ahead and move some lines down, do end. So then basically what this is doing, if the raining equals true, which it is, then it's going to go ahead and print bring a umbrella. Alright, so now that we have that done, we can go ahead into our game, play here, and this should work, and it should print bring an umbrella. See right here, it says bring an umbrella, just like this. Right here, bring an umbrella. That works perfectly fine. So now, what if we wanted to detect while it's snowing too, like I said in the example? Well, what we're going to do, we're going to move a few lines down, and we're going to do else if without the space in between. So basically, this is like, if raining doesn't equal true, then it checks for this one. So we can go ahead and make another value, which is snowing. We can set that to true, set raining to false, and then else if snowing equals true, then print bring a hat. Okay, so now we can go ahead in our game and test that by pressing play here, and now let's see, it should be able to print bring a hat perfectly fine. Alright, so now what if none of these are true? What if they're both false? So what we want to do with that, basically this is like pressing L. So basically, to do that, we just have to type else. This means if none of those are possible, then you do this. So we can print here, weather undetermined, if I could spell, which I can't. And then now if both of these are false, we can go ahead, head back into the game, and it should say weather undetermined. Well, undetermined spelled a bit wrong. Don't mind that. And so that's basically it. But what if it's both raining and it's snowing? Not sure how that's possible, but just pretend it is for the sake of this video. So we can go into the game and see what this is. So it is bring an umbrella. Why is it bring an umbrella? Well, let me explain that to you right now. So it is bring an umbrella because basically it follows the order you placed it in. So first, it checks if raining's true, and if raining's true, then it does that. But if raining's not true, then it goes to the next one, and then the next one. So it keeps following that order, so you need to be mindful of the order you put it in. So that's basically all you need to know about if-then statements, also known as conditional statements, when getting into scripting. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helped you out, and if it did, be sure to like the video and press the subscribe button so you never miss the next video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy your day.